blue.
Blue. No.
I say let's do green just so we can make some time today, boys.
Sounds good.
We're going on the TransAmerica Trail. It's like dirt roads through your state. You ever heard of it?
It's probably.
I mean, is there a way to get past this area right here without like where that truck is right there? Maybe we can go down it. Does this little road right here take you there?
Yeah, actually, where it's cut off, we're gonna take you behind the apartment, but you go.
Does it?
It's a funeral home, like right here.
Yeah.
This hotel, this funeral home, right here. You turn left. Left down there, and it'll take you all the way back there.
Does this little road right here down the side take you all the way up to there?
Yeah, it can if you want to.
We can give that a whirl and see what happens. You want to see if we can try that right there? I wonder if it'll let us out. All right, then. Thank you, man.
All right, so we come to a roadblock, and guess what? We're just taking a little detour.
It's Lakeland.
Oh, it is.
I might have to get my tank bag cover out here.
That's a cool train
Trestle.
Will this get us there?
Don't know. Let's find out.
I say we find out. So I'm thinking that the bridge that used to be here ain't here no more.
Oh, that's not gonna work.
So here is the earthen dam, and there is the bridge that is no more.
Wow.
So here's our water crossing. I think I can make it.
If anybody can, it would be you.
All right, boys.
Darn it. What are we going to do? Go up that hill up there?
No. We're going to go back to where we came and
Find a map.
You guys, just what if this map could lead to One-Eyed Willie's rich stuff?
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you take a detour on the TAT.
Does anybody look to see how bad this is going to be?
Relax your hands while you can. Some kind of big machinery up here. I wonder if they're the ones that are grading the road.
Wish they had started on our end.
Oh no, that looks even worse. Oh, awful. Nothing like fresh laid gravel to walk you around like you're riding on marbles. And to top it all off, they're wet. It's like riding on wet marble. Man, this is fresh gravel, man. This sucks.
Yep, not compacted.
You can see on the edges where the old stuff was before they put this down. Got out of my groove. Bad move.
then you get somebody on like a 450, they're just like, wah, 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 wah. They don't care, you know. It may be level, but it's also loose.
What you doing, Steve?
I'm airing out my jacket and my buttocks.
Look to your right.
Boys, right turn. I just missed it. It was too wet to slam on the brakes. Mm-hmm. Chris, did you make it?
Oh, yeah.
Bastard.
Oh, we are so full. We just had lunch at the Great Plains truck stop. What do you? Jason's already taken a nap. Food comatose.
He didn't even eat his whole hamburger. I don't know what the problem was.
Because it was 3 hamburgers.
The brisket was outstanding.
Oh, get it!
we just randomly stopped on the side of the road where the best place to eat around here was, and this is where we are.
Picture Plains, just a little old community. When you go through there, they got, it's a little old gas station. They got stuff in the farmer, and then they got a little place off the side of it where they cook burgers and stuff like that.
And it was a silver truck with big wheels, which apparently, according to Tracy, everyone has.
And then we showed Tracy, and she said, what?
Oh
yeah, that's Trevor.
So thanks, Trevor.
I want you guys to meet somebody. This is our new friend, Tracy. Tracy's lost 100 and what pounds?
9.
9 pounds. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You rock.
Is that how she did it?
Yeah, how'd you do it?
No Dr. Peppers.
Small town USA, everybody knows everybody.
She's not there.
Yeah, she's good.
We're welcome.
I'm no rush on it. I spent about 10 years in the grain industry.
Over half of our production is consumed domestically.
I grew up in Indonesia. The rice paddies that they have over there are amazing because they are cut deep into the sides of the hills.
Yeah, that's amazing to me. I don't see how in the world they do that. The women go out there and wade that water and they got a bag on their hand. They got rice plants that are about that tall, the seedlings, and they got that thing. They go open and hold with their fingers, and that's where they plant it from.
Didn't know that.
We've learned something today.
Wow, look at these roads.
Yeah, we're doing as good on these as we were on some of the twisties.
I've used my bash plate more on this trip than I ever have.
Let me tell you what, guys. If you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle, do the TransAmerica freaking trail.
No kidding.
Holy crap.
What the heck are you guys waiting for? Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
So, right where you are, if you come straight this way to here and then out, because right there's a big rock that's about that far underneath, but it's dropped straight down. And then this right here, there's no drop, but it's slick. So if you stay on the rock, and then go that way.
Okay.
All right, hang on a second. I gotta put this thing in manual. Take traction control off. All right, boys, here we go. That was a little sketch, but I survived. Nothing to it.
Now, would you... Shit!
Did you just drop your bike?
Negative.
Wheel danced a little to the left there, and I ended up on the rock. You just gotta take the bike where it'll go, right? Woo-wee! Now that we've done this crossing, in hindsight, we should have asked those people if there are more water crossings.
Hey, I think Steve's washing our bikes this time.
How's it feel, Chris?
Well, I missed the kick in the big game, nailed my driving test, misspelled my ex-girlfriend's name on the tattoo on my chest, 'cause I can't do nothing right, and I can't seem to get along. I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of the road. Yeah, I picked a fight with the boxer, scratched her name just home, gave a heart attack to the doctor, and lost my mama's dog. I hung the left on a red light and lost my right to drive. Just showed me to the shallow end, and I'm sure to die right in, 'cause I can't do nothing
You don't mind dirt roads, y'all got dirt bikes.
No, yeah.
So, just you gotta keep going down this road. That's where we're headed to OZARK, and then you have to go through OZARK, and then you'll turn right on 103.
Okay. No. I mean, this is actually the trail we're supposed to be on. Yeah. So this is fine for us. But
yeah.
Anyway,
She's been taking me through some crap today, so she's okay. I got some front wheels off the ground a few times. So.
Nice. But did you get any of it on camera?
No.
Well, then it didn't happen. All right, thank you, ladies.
Thank you. You guys have a fun ride.
Will do. What was that you said about always ask the locals?
That's it. Never fails.
How did I get here again? I was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy.
Is that a log?
Oh, shoot.
Go under.
Well, the road might be turning, actually. Oh, careful. No. Can't do it.
Get around it?
No, absolutely not. It's completely stopped.
Ah, the blue cat's ahead of us. How we get there? Easy, buddy.
It's really big gravel right there. Be careful.
You're dang right it is.
Straight through it.
Watch your line up here.
Yep.
All right, gets a little better.
That was definitely, boys.
And then you get a pretty scene like this.
The reward at the end of the tunnel.
Should have asked her how far.
So, boys, this really, honestly, is what the adventure is about.
This, I agree.
Jason, I think we should take turns. Each of us make Steve ride our bike for a stretch while we take his.
Right?
Serious gravel.
Oh, goody.
We are. Looks like we're gonna hit a bigger road up here in a minute. So.
That would be good.
Yeah.
And nothing like having the most challenging trail 12 hours into the day.
That is a fact, Jack.
That's the fact, Jack!
There we go.
That's better.
Big gravel, boys.
I hate big gravel.
Stay to the left.
No, oh, really? Too late.
Roll!
There he goes.
Nice roll, nice roll.
Did you drop it?
Yep.
You okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Right in the hardest part of the dadgum trail. Right there.
Get your phone out, get your trophy photo.
Oh, Johnny gravel. Tell you what, if anybody does this on their own, more power to you.
Yeah, that was the climax of the trip.
Hey, how far is it?
It's a little bit farther.
That's the same girls. Yeah. See how easy that was? You just need 4 wheels.
Guys, that was one heck of a day on the TransAmerica Trail. We traveled quite a distance. It has been 12 hours and 12 minutes since we left.
324 miles today.
324 miles, but a lot of it, as you could see, was pretty gnarly stuff. Early days started great. We had a fantastic time, lots of beautiful riding. Overcast the whole time, but great roads. But man, that second half after lunch, it got pretty dicey. And we have a whole new respect for the TransAmerica Trail. But we finally made it to our campgrounds in the Ozark Mountains. This is Birds Adventure Center. And we are pulling in just in time. Basically get our grub at this restaurant, get checked in, set up camp, and we are done for the night. So we made it to our campsite, and it turns out this is where they race razors. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Look at this. Stay tuned. More to come tomorrow.